In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open one-by-one fold in MindNode. If you're organizing a complex mind map, sometimes you don't want everything to open at once. You just want to reveal a single branch, keep the rest tucked away, and stay focused. That's exactly what we'll do here using the disclosure arrow, also known as the little triangle that indicates a folded node. Start by opening your mind map in MindNode. Once you're in, look for any node that's currently folded. You'll recognize it by the small triangle or arrow icon sitting right next to the node's title. On a Mac, it's a subtle disclosure triangle that points to the right when the branch is folded. On iPad and iPhone, you'll see a similar chevron next to the parent node. If you don't see the icon, that node is either already expanded or doesn't have any child nodes. Now to open just that one branch, click the triangle on a Mac or tap it on your iPad or iPhone. Aim for the arrow itself rather than the node's text. Clicking or tapping the text selects the node, but pressing the arrow triggers the unfold action. As soon as you do, only that branch expands. You'll notice the arrow flips direction to indicate it's now open, and the rest of your mind map stays neatly folded. That's the power of the disclosure arrow, precise, controlled expansion without disturbing other areas of your map. If the arrow feels small, don't worry. A quick zoom in can make it easier to hit the target accurately, especially on a touchscreen. And if you click or tap and nothing happens, double check that the node actually has children. No children means there's nothing to unfold, so the arrow won't appear. Want to open another branch? Simply repeat the process on the next folded node you're interested in. Find the arrow beside that node and click or tap it. You can move through your map methodically, revealing exactly what you need, one branch at a time. This is particularly helpful during presentations, brainstorming, or reviews, when you want to control the flow of information and prevent visual clutter. That's all there is to it. Open your mind map, find the disclosure arrow next to a folded node, click or tap it to expand just that branch, and repeat on any other nodes you want to open individually. With this simple approach, you'll keep your workspace tidy and your thinking clear, while still having instant access to the details you need.